The final Bugatti Chiron Super Sport, a special farewell. In 2025, after 8 years of building 500 Bugatti Chirons, the French-German automaker has completed its production run with a special edition, the Chiron Super Sport. This last model is a unique tribute to the iconic car's history and features several exclusive details that highlight its journey. The Bugatti Chiron first appeared at the Geneva Motor Show in 2016, designed as a successor to the famous Veyron supercar. It featured the same W16 engine but in a new sleek design. Under the new leadership of Mate Rimac, known for his work with electric hypercars, Bugatti has developed a new 16-cylinder engine for their upcoming model. However, before the car debuts, the last Chiron has been crafted. The Chiron Super Sport, which boasts around 1500 horsepower and can exceed 300 mph, is a standout vehicle. This final model has been customized to celebrate the Chiron's legacy. It features a special paint job that echoes the original show car's color, Atlantic and French racing blue. The new paint scheme includes handwritten notes commemorating key moments from Chiron's production and its influence over the past decade. The paintwork includes references to significant locations such as Geneva, where the Chiron was unveiled, Chantilly, the Paul Ricard circuit, and the era-Leeson testing track, where the car reached its 300 mph top speed. Other notable mentions include Bugatti's historic headquarters in Molsheim, the Château Saint-Jean, and Cape Canaveral, where customers experience the car's maximum speed. Additionally, the number 500 is hand-painted on various parts of the car, including the exterior wheel caps, rear wing, seats, and engine cover, marking its significance as the final unit. The French flag decorates the door mirrors, and the Horseau grille is finished in Atlantic blue with stripes. Inside, the car features deep blue leather and carbon fiber accents, further emphasizing its exclusivity. According to Bugatti President Christophe Buchan, this final Chiron Super Sport is a bespoke work of art that retraces the car's remarkable 8-year journey. It celebrates the Chiron's global impact and its many groundbreaking achievements.